What's going on YouTube? This is Jason Tang TV, bring you guys another video. It's been a while since we've done one of these. I love the series that I started and I feel like I definitely should not end it. A lot of you guys do enjoy it as well, and we're trying to revive the channel right now, so hopefully you guys run into this video and you guys check out all the old videos as well. This right here, this beauty is fire, like straight up fire. I am mind blown that I got a pair of these. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. I'm gonna be honest, this thing is freaking like heavy, and I'm not even expecting a box this heavy for a pair of shoes. 2.34 kilograms. How many pounds is that? All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. The fuck? Why the fuck did they send me this book? No wonder this shit is so fucking heavy. I'm really curious what that book is about. Let's put this down really quick and check out this book here. Whoa, that's actually way dope. Fuck, you guys might know where I picked up these shoes from now. This book is $20, okay? It says it on the inside of the cover. It's called Intelligence, and I'll show you guys that. And basically it's like a streetwear book, designer book. I don't know, I saw Stone Island somewhere here. There's CDG. Yeah, Stone Island. This is actually dope as fuck. Like, no wonder I was like, how are these shoes that heavy? And this is it right here. So I'm gonna be honest, I unfortunately did not pick up my size in these. I'm gonna try and make this work. I'm normally a 9.5. You guys already know we had to get whatever we could, and I picked up a size 10 in these. If you guys want to read that real quick. Nike swoosh. Box is a little damaged. I mean, overseas, I can't complain. It's not, I've seen worse. These right here are fire. Holy shit. God damn, they got the blue hang tag too. Let's put this aside and then I can show you guys the shoe better. First impressions, quality of the shoe. Damn, interesting. Quality of the shoe, I feel like they could have used better materials, to be honest, but I mean, this is a $130 shoe. What can you do? Here, I'll give you guys a quick 360 of the shoe right here. Boom. Let me see if there's any extra laces that comes with these. Okay, so these are just basic white ones that come with them. Yeah, nothing too crazy. You do have the orange shoelaces in quotations. All the off-white sneakers are honestly way dope. Like, you guys can see, I have a pair of Prestos. Unfortunately, not my size as well, but kind of seeing each different off-white shoe that I've ever been able to get, I guess you can say. I definitely think these blazers are up there, and I've had a history with blazers. I actually do want to do another video with these, kind of going over actually a pair of blazers that I picked up way back for like 15 bucks, and we're gonna compare it to this right here, which is going for like 550, 600 right now. Let me know if you guys were able to pick up a pair of these yourself, and if you guys do like the black or the tan colorway. I can't remember the exact name, but yeah, they came out with both of those, or even the original, the OG colorway. I'm gonna be honest, I think I like the OG colorway over these ones and over the tan pair. I feel like you just can't go wrong with those OG colors. I'm gonna have to try and either fit in these or maybe trade my way to get my pair. If you guys are selling a pair, I am, like I said, looking for either a size 9 or 9.5. Let me know down in the comments below. This is Jason Tang TV. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, peace.